Just back from the VantagePoint University Summit. It was awesome. Had a great time. I'm back at the ranch, feeding the cows. I think they missed me. I think they're happy to see me. Anyway, I just wanted to say to everybody who was there at the summit, I had a great time. It was great to meet so many of you and talk to you and get to hear your stories. And from many of you, I got to hear how being a part of the VantagePoint family has really changed your life. Not just giving you tools and education and information to help you be more successful in your trading, but just giving you a sense of belonging, a community, a family. And that's the whole point of it, right? You want to enjoy what you're doing and enjoy who you're doing it with and make a positive impact for you, your family, your local community. Thank you for supporting us and the charitable partners that we select each quarter. And I'm looking forward to seeing you again in the future and hearing about your success. And again, I just want to say thank you for being a part of what we've built. Thank you for being a part of the VantagePoint family. And we're looking forward to continuing on this journey with you. Have a good one.